I'm so proud of the employees that we have. They've been giving very generously to United Way for a number of years. I've been here for 35 years, and every one of those 35 years, our employees have either won the Pinnacle Award or what used to be the Gold Award, always for the highest level of giving based on your employee giving potential. We have a number of folks that are disabled, and I'm so proud of their record of giving to United Way. These are folks that aren't high paid. They're folks that have disabilities, and they understand what it means to be able to give back to the community.
I see the need in the community. There's a lot of people with different circumstances that they're in need, and if I can put in my little grain of sand to help them, well, I'm more than happy to do so. And also, it's my way of giving back to what I have received. I wouldn't have been able to have this chair if it wouldn't have been for money that I received from the United Way.